of how the indicator system works. All right. Okay. We have, it's a scanner system. So you don't have to have the pairs open down here at the bottom. I got them all open because I was doing something. I just hadn't closed them out yet. But you don't have to have the pairs open. You simply need to have one chart open with the indicator loaded on it. Okay. One chart. That's all we need. All right. So let's look at it. These are the trades that came through. Let's go analyze these trades. You're going to get this alert to your cell phone from your MT4. So we got EUR GBP on the 4 hour for 25 pips. Red means what? Red means it's a sell, y'all, right? Green means it's a buy, okay? So let's click. All we got to do is click on it. Now, this is a program that you're going to load on your computer, so it does take a few seconds to load. So I click on it. It's loading that template, right? We're looking for EG on the 4 hour. So it'll come up and load, and you'll see the chart come up. Give it a second. You see, we got EUR GBP on the 4 hour, right? It says 25 pips. Well, now, right now, the market is closed, okay? But look at the setup. We got the reversal. We got the entry arrow. Look at our FxCopyAndPaste going down. Look at our TDI going down, right? 25 pips. We want to take it what, y'all? I teach we want to get half of those. So just say 10, 15 pips on this, right? 10 to 15 pips on this trade. Look at the next one. EURJPY on the hour. 36 pips, all right? I just clicked it. Give it a chance to load. That's why it's locked up a little bit. Got to let it load. EJ on the hour. Red is a sell. So we're going to be selling it. So let's let it go to it. All right, EJ on the hour a sell. Let's look at it. Let's analyze it. We got our reversal. We got our entry arrow. FxCopyAndPaste going down. TDI going down, y'all. Can't get no easier than this, right? Now we got EURNZD on the hour and we got EURNZD on the day. The hour is a sell. The day is the trend, right? So the hour is doing what? Retracing, right? So we're gonna counter trend. We're gonna trade both of them. We're gonna take the sell, the quick sell for 65. It have 65, right? So let's look at it. So we taking this sell. Look at the FxCopyAndPaste. Look at that. Nice drop. Look at the TDI. Got our reversal. Got our arrow, right? So that's the sell. So while we're selling, we also can come in and get this buy. So I click it. It goes to the template. Once again, you only have to have one chart open, y'all. That's it. Just have it constantly running. So now, while we're getting this sale on the hour, we go here and it's going to get the buy on the day, right? EURNZD on the daily, right? We're getting the buy. Look at the setup, y'all. Look at it. We got our reversal, entry arrow. That's the retrace we're seeing right there. That's that hour, right? That's somewhere in that hour, right? So look at it. But with the FxCopyAndPaste is going up on the daily. That TDI is spread out wide. So we're saying 125 pips. We're going to get 60 of it. So we're getting 30 here and 60. That's 90 pips there and about 15 here. So we're over 100 pips with these trades that came in one day. We're over 100 pips with just these trades that came in on one day, y'all. It's crazy. It's giving you the setup. You cannot afford not to have this indicator system. It's giving you all the trades.